Hey guys, in this video we'll be installing Gcloud CLI SDK. So before we get started, what is Gcloud CLI? It's a command line interface or an SDK, a software development kit that lets you run bash commands in your Google Cloud account. So you can handle your resources using a simple set of commands, such as you want to fire a Dataproc, you want to fire up a Dataproc cluster, you want to submit your PySpark jobs, you want to deploy your cloud functions. There's a whole bunch of things. That's literally anything you can do using the CLI. So, and do not worry, we'll be doing this in basically all the sections of the course. So to begin with, what you need to do is hit the link which is attached to the resource section of this video, or you can just go to cloud.google.com, docs, install. Now, depending on the operating system that you're on, you need to select the installer accordingly. For Windows, you need to download the Google Cloud CLI installer. I'm on Mac OS, so I have downloaded the 64-bit tar file. So I have it installed in my computer already. If you're on Linux, it's relatively easier. You just need to fire the curl command and follow the instructions. So this is a very easy step. For Windows users, you need to download the installer like I mentioned and just follow the instructions. And once you're through with this, you need to go back to your terminal. Just going to clear this out. And by terminal, I mean if you're on Windows, you need to open the PowerShell. For Linux and Mac users, it's terminal. And all you need to do is type Gcloud and hit enter. Now, if your installation was done successfully, you will not see any error, especially Windows users. You will not see an error saying the command is not found. So let me hit enter. And you can see it gives an output, right? Which means I have Gcloud CLI installed in my computer. So once you guys are done with this, the first step that I need you guys to do is type the command Gcloud Auth login. Now, using this command, we're authenticating our command line with our GCP account that we created, with the trial account that we just created in the earlier video. So once you hit enter, it'll open up a browser. You need to select the Gmail ID that you used in order to create your GCP trial account and then click on allow. So this is how you authenticate your bash from your local computer with your GCP account. Once this is done, what I need you guys to do is go back to your GCP account and click on the project that we created in one of the earlier videos. And I want you guys to copy the ID. So I'm copying it and I'm going to say Gcloud config set project as, and I'm going to paste the project ID. So what did I just do? I just set my default project ID to the one that we're going to be working on for the rest of this course. And in my case, the ID is GCP data processing. I'm sure it is unique for every user. So in your case, it might be different. So go ahead and fire these two commands and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.